All right, we're back. We have M51, the Whirlpool Galaxy in the camera. We're doing 30-second exposures. We're several minutes in, and let me just make this bigger for us. And I'll come back here and I'll tweak some of these settings to make the dark background a little bit better. But what do you want to tell us, Jen, about the spiral galaxy?
Okay, this is a face-on spiral galaxy. It's actually two galaxies. It's M51, which is the large galaxy, and the companion galaxy is NGC 5195. And it was discovered by Charles Messier on the 13th of October in 1773. And he described it as a very faint nebula without stars. So
a lot of things were called nebula because they really didn't know what they were in,
yes.
in the true sense of how we describe things now. But
we originally, if you look at old photographs, stuff like that, of like the Andromeda galaxy, it's called the Andromeda Nebula. They didn't even realize it was another galaxy like ours. So this is a very classic spiral galaxy.
So you can see the arms here. You can see that this arm here, it's believed that it's pulling material from the NGC galaxy. They're basically merging in some sense of the word. So let's just let this stack a little bit. And so if we could get on a spaceship and get out of the Milky Way galaxy, which is the galaxy that we're in, perpendicular to the plane of our galaxy, and then turned around and looked back, this is what our galaxy would look like. We wouldn't have a second one nearby. But this is, you know, Milky Way galaxy is a spiral galaxy. So that's what it would look like. Excuse me. It's getting to be almost 11 o'clock. What am I doing? Oh, I'm doing only 10-second exposures? No, 30-second exposures. So it's stacking 30-second exposures. It's getting a little better. You can kind of see some of the dust lanes right in through here. Dust lane right in through here. Let's see. Oh, we can go into the galaxy. Let's see what else we can do with this. Anything we can do with this to make it a little bit different? Nope.
According to Sky Safari,
Nope.
And this is different from what I've read elsewhere. So I'm just going to throw this out there. It says that visually these two galaxies give the impression of actually being connected to one another. But photographs reveal that that's not true, for they show that the dark dust lanes of the large spiral curve in front of the companion. So that means the Milky Way, not Milky Way, the M51 is actually in front of the NGC 5195.
So if I heard that correctly, you're saying they're not on the same plane.
Yeah, they're not actually
on the same sheet of paper.
Yeah.
Per se.
So even though it looks like they're connected, they actually aren't.
But they are pulling.
But like I said,
They are pulling material from each other. I thought they were. No.
Well, if they're not connected, then they're not.
Okay.
So I know that's different than what I've heard.
Well, like in astronomy,
Sky Safari, and
there's a lot of.
I'm surprised.
There's still a lot of learning going on, just like in any science.
Yep, that is
true. Whoa, that doesn't work. Didn't like that. Yeah. So not a bad image.
And then later on, you go down 2 paragraphs. Then it says with radio astronomy and subsequent radio images of M51, it unequivocally demonstrates that their interaction is real. So they are interacting with one another.
Okay.
So
radio astronomy shows they're interacting. Optical, maybe not so much.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Well, that little bling bling that you heard in the background, if you heard it, means that the space station is rising. So we're going to take a break and we're going to go see if we can see it. So we'll come back with something else.